Hello and welcome to Laundry Bangkok, the online laundry company that makes your life easier. We bring the laundry store to you so you can stop rushing to have your laundry done. You may have your garments picked up and delivered directly to your home with our practical pickup and delivery service. For delicate clothing that need additional attention, our dry cleaning service is ideal. Count on our skilled cleaners to remove stains and filth from your clothing without causing any harm. Want your clothing to be perfectly pressed? Your garments will be crisp and free of wrinkles thanks to our steam ironing service, giving you a polished and businesslike appearance. Our laundry service can handle any amount of laundry, even a small amount. Your garments will look and smell brand new thanks to our skilled cleaners in no time. If an accident occurs, don't allow it spoil your clothes. Our stain removal service will make every effort to get rid of stubborn spots and revive your clothes. Over time, curtains and drapes may become dirty. Let us use our curtain washing service to bring back their freshness. Do you manage a hotel or a business? Fast, effective, and dependable business laundry services are provided by Laundry Bangkok. Keep in mind to bring your bags and shoes. They will look their best after using our cleaning services for bags and shoes. So, why wait? Book your laundry service now on our website and experience the convenience of Laundry Bangkok.